So now we have our journal ready to decorate. And this is where the fun really begins. We're going to add pockets, embellishment cards, and extra details to bring the pages to life. For the simple pockets, we've already printed our decorative paper. And now we're going to turn some of those pieces into pockets. Let's start with an easy one. What I'm going to do is take one of the pages and cut a section from it to make a side pocket. So let's do that together. First, I'll decide how deep I want the pocket to be. I think maybe about half of the page will be enough. Something around here. That feels like a good size. Now I'm going to mark where I want it on this side, and then do the same on the other side. I'm using my measuring tool here just to keep it even. So, it will be here and here too. And now I'll use my cutting tool and trim it right here and here. Now we have our first pocket piece ready. I think I'll use it on this page. I'm going to glue it here and here, on top and bottom, leaving the side open so it becomes a pocket. Let's attach it and see how it looks. I'm using double-sided tape for this one. I'll remove the backing paper . Line it up on the page and make sure it doesn't overlap onto the next page. Perfect. And now we have our first pocket, ready to hold tags, notes, or little embellishments. What I'm going to do next is cut a few more shapes so we can keep decorating. Another way to use these pieces is to make a bottom pocket. So for example, if I want a pocket about this size, I would cut it here. Then I'll have another pocket ready to go. My pockets are not always perfectly exact, so if you prefer, you can absolutely measure everything carefully. For me, this is close enough and works just fine. You could make it about 3.5 inches here and 3.5 inches on this side. Then cut it here and here. And now we have another perfect pocket where we can tuck things inside. This one I'm going to glue around 3 sides, leaving the top open. I do want to make it just a little shorter first. Yes, that's better. I'm just making sure it won't block the page from closing. This time I'm using liquid glue. A little here, here, and here. Then I'll place it right at the bottom of the page. And now we've got another pocket ready to use later. So I'm going to keep going, cut a few more pockets, and place them in different spots throughout the journal. Okay, so let's review what I've done so far. I added a few pockets in different shapes. Here you can see a horizontal pocket, and here a vertical one. I didn't add pockets to every page, because I still want room for more elements later. Here you can see I added a band, so you can slide pieces underneath it. Here's another one. Another band. Another pocket, and over here I cut the corner and turned it into a corner pocket. Which we can decorate later with embellishments. And I left this page and this page without pockets, because I want to show you something next.